there is time. You have to do it. If you want it bad enough, there's time and you can do it. I have the career, wife, kids, house. I sit on boards that take time, and yet I have 2 products that I am prototyping as we speak. I just recently created 3 different games. One's a card game, one's a dice game, and the other one is a kind of card game that I might run Kickstarters for. I started a blog a couple years ago that I operate, and I just do that on Sunday evenings, and I try to make it work. So that's all the time I take doing it. I guess the answer, or at least my advice, is you have time if you want it enough. And so get out and do it. And don't think that because you can't go back to school for some degree or have a job already in digital marketing or animation that you can't do it. People learn languages by spending literally 5 minutes a day, every single day, on Rosetta Stone or whatever the software is. People learn a skill by doing it every day. You can do anything. You could become the most amazing Disney Pixar animator by working on it 5 minutes a day, as long as you do it every single day. There's that 10,000 hours to become whatever they say, an expert at what you do. Well, 5 minutes a day will add up eventually, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and realistically, everybody's got an hour. At the end of the night, you have an hour that you could be doing something. And get up, do it, don't be stopped. You have the time if you want it enough. That's what I would say.